Good morning, dear students. I am Manjula Talgahagoda, Senior Assistant Registrar of the Welfare Division. First, I warmly welcome and extend best wishes to all the students who have been selected to the Faculty of Engineering, University of Sri Jayewardenepura. As the Senior Assistant Registrar of the Welfare Division, I would like to explain the main functions of the Welfare Division. Student Welfare Division of the University handles all matters relating to student welfare work, student hostel facilities, Mahapola, bursary and other scholarships, canteens, season tickets, student union and subject societies and all matters relating to student welfare are the functions of this division. Currently, 31 hostels are run by the university. Some of these hostels are located within the university premises, while some others are located outside the university premises. With all these hostels, accommodation could be provided for nearly 6,830 students. In providing resident facilities, the first year and the final year students are given priority and a selection will be made by an criteria approved by the university. Eligible student list for hostels will be published on the website of the Welfare Division. All residential students should follow the stipulated rules and regulations, and students those who violate these rules and regulations will be withdrawn and penalty will be imposed. For the administration of hostels, 2 senior members of the academic staff have been appointed as wardens. Full-time sub-wardens are appointed for day-to-day administration of the hostels. In addition, members of the academic staff have been appointed as part-time sub-wardens. Employees have been appointed to hostels for other services. Next, I would like to introduce you the Mahapola Scholarship Scheme. Overall of Mahapola Scholarship is handled by UGC in collaboration with Mahapola Trust Fund. Mahapola Scholarship payment will made only to those who are registered in the university to follow degree courses. Only 10 installments will be paid for an academic year. Selected list for the Mahapola scholarship will be published on the faculty notice boards as well as the website of the Welfare Division. In order to eligible for the receipt of Mahapola installments, students should be engaged in full-time courses, and those who do not attend courses will not eligible to receive monthly installments. Next, I am going to introduce you regarding bursaries. Students who do not receive Mahapola scholarships are eligible to apply subject to the circulars and conditions governing bursaries. Eligible students will receive 10 installments of bursaries for an academic year. Selected list of the bursaries will be published on the faculty notice boards and website of the Welfare Division. Other scholarships will be awarded to eligible students who do not receive Mahapola or bursaries. More information regarding these scholarships could be obtained from the website of the Welfare Division, or notices will be published on the faculty notice board. Other services: a tailoring shop, milk and milk food outlet and photocopy services are run at the university premises. 15 canteens are run at university premises to provide foods for the students in consensuary basis. Application forms for the letter of obtaining or not obtaining Mahapola bursary scholarship, bursary forms, bus and train season application forms for obtain laptop loan, application forms for progress report, hostel application forms, and application to change bank account details could be downloaded from the website of the Welfare Division. With this, I am going to wind up this small session, and if you have any issue regarding welfare facilities, please feel free to call 011 288 1730 or 1731, or your issues can be forwarded to the usjwelfare@gmail.com email address. Finally, I wish you the best of luck in all your future endeavors.